Welcome to Reviewsinside Today we're talking about a product that brings the power of a full-size blender to the convenience of your pocket, the Total Chef Portable Blender. Whether you're someone who's always on the go or just loves having a fresh smoothie at hand, this blender promises to be your new best friend. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Total Chef Portable Blender is a compact, cordless blender designed for those who love smoothies, shakes, and everything in between. It features a 20-ounce BPA-free bottle, which not only serves as your blending container, but doubles as your drinking cup. It's USB rechargeable, meaning you can take it anywhere without worrying about a plug. From frozen fruit to tough ingredients like ice, it claims to handle it all with ease. It even makes quick work of mixing protein powder into shakes or crushing ice for milkshakes. This is a portable blender that's built for people who need a quick, efficient solution for their smoothies while on the move, whether you're in the kitchen, at the gym, or even out camping. In terms of real-world usage, setting this blender up is a breeze. The rechargeable battery makes it a true portable blender, with no need to hunt for outlets. Simply charge it via USB and you're good to go. I tested it in a few scenarios, including blending smoothies with frozen berries and protein powder. The results? Pretty impressive for a mini blender. It handled frozen fruit without any trouble, and I was able to make a smooth protein shake in under a minute. The power it packs into such a small, travel-friendly unit is definitely a plus. However, if you load it up with too many tough ingredients at once, like large chunks of ice or tough veggies, it can struggle a bit. It's definitely not designed for the heavy-duty blending that larger, corded blenders do, but that's a given with any portable model. Now, let's talk about the key strengths and weaknesses of the Total Chef Portable Blender. On the plus side, it's extremely easy to use and clean. The bottle detaches easily, so you can rinse it out or throw it in the dishwasher without a hassle. The portability is a huge advantage. It's lightweight and compact enough to take with you anywhere, so if you're into traveling, working out, or even just making drinks in the office, it fits right into your routine. Plus, the 20-ounce capacity is just right for a personal smoothie or shake. Small but sufficient. On the flip side, the motor isn't as powerful as a traditional blender, so don't expect it to handle large batches or ultra-hard ingredients like a full-size machine would. It also takes a bit longer to blend when dealing with more frozen ingredients, and sometimes you need to shake it around a little to get the contents to blend evenly. It's definitely more suited for personal, smaller tasks rather than big family-sized batches. When it comes to value for money, the Total Chef Portable Blender is priced in a mid-range spot compared to other portable blenders. For around $30 to $40, you're getting a solid, reliable product that does what it promises: blends smoothies, shakes, and protein drinks while being portable and easy to clean. It's priced similarly to other personal blenders like the NutriBullet Go or the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender, which offer similar portability but with varying levels of power and features. The Total Chef model stands out because of its compact, USB rechargeable nature, making it perfect for active people who need their blender to go wherever they do. In terms of comparisons, if you're deciding between this and other personal blenders, consider what matters most to you. If you're after a truly portable device that doesn't need to be plugged in, this model might win out. If you're more focused on blending power or larger quantities, you might want to consider a more powerful option like the Ninja Fit or the Magic Bullet, both of which can handle tougher ingredients with a little more oomph, but are less convenient for travel. The build quality of the Total Chef Portable Blender feels solid for the price point. The materials used are lightweight, yet durable enough for everyday use. And while it's not the highest-end construction, it's definitely more than adequate for a personal blender. The BPA-free bottle adds an extra touch of reassurance, especially for health-conscious users. The longevity of the product will largely depend on how well you maintain it, but with regular use, it should hold up for quite some time, especially considering its 1-year warranty. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had to reach out personally, but the Total Chef brand is known for providing reliable support, and the 1-year warranty is a nice touch for peace of mind. For a product at this price point, that kind of backing can make a big difference. In terms of updates, since this is a simple, non-digital appliance, software or firmware updates aren't a concern here. It's all about the blending performance. And with that, the Total Chef holds its ground for smaller, personal use. To wrap things up, the Total Chef Portable Blender does a lot of things right. It's compact, portable, easy to use, and perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and protein drinks on the go. Its small size and rechargeable battery make it an excellent choice for travel, gym sessions, or just a quick smoothie at home. While it won't replace a full-size blender for big batches or heavy-duty use, it's certainly a reliable tool for anyone looking to quickly blend personal servings in a hassle-free, convenient way. If you're someone who frequently enjoys smoothies or shakes and needs a blender that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Total Chef Portable Blender is a great option. Just keep in mind its limits with tougher ingredients. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you're interested in grabbing the Total Chef Portable Blender, the link to the product is in the comments box. If you have any questions, or if you've tried this product yourself, feel free to drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, keep blending those healthy drinks. Goodbye for now from Reviews Inside TV.